Good morning and welcome to Market Watch Monday. Today we are looking at the top economic releases that will affect the markets this week. Australia's NAB April Business Confidence Survey will be the most interesting economic release on Monday. UK April labour data, German April inflation report, and zoo May economic sentiment will be in focus in European session on Tuesday. US April Producer Price Index and American Petroleum Institute weekly crude oil stocks report will be the highlights of the US session. Eurozone March industrial production and first quarter gross domestic product flash estimate will be key economic releases of the European session on Wednesday. US April Consumer Price Index, April retail sales, and US Energy Information Administration's weekly crude stocks report will be closely watched during the US session. On Thursday, key economic events will be US weekly jobless claims, April export and import prices, May Philadelphia Fed Manufacturing Index, and April industrial production. China's April industrial production and April retail sales will be top events of Asian session on Friday. Eurozone April inflation report will take the center stage in European session.